we guide you through how to transfer PayPal to Gcash. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure your PayPal account is verified and linked to the same email you will use for Gcash. Open your Gcash app, then tap on Cash In and select PayPal as your source. If this is your first time, you will be asked to link your PayPal account by logging in and allowing permission. Once linked, go to Cash In again, choose PayPal, then enter the amount you want to transfer. Double check the details, especially the currency and linked email to avoid errors. Tap Confirm and wait for the processing to complete. Usually, the transfer reflects within a few minutes, but in some cases, it can take up to 24 hours depending on PayPal's system. You will receive a notification once the money is successfully credited to your Gcash wallet. If the transfer fails, check if your PayPal balance is sufficient and if your accounts are properly linked. So that's it.